Hi guys, today we are going to talk about event handlers, and this is really easy theme because we can handle our event just like in JavaScript. This is really easy. We just need to add method which will handle some event. For example, on click I can handle I can set some function which will handle this event, and all I need to do is add this function. So I need to write like variable f some function, and for example console log test, something like this. And here I need to say that I want to run this function f on click. And now if I click on my hello world, cancel logged it will cancel logged test, so this function will run. And of course there is a lot of different kind of uh, events, all of them same as in JavaScript, and you can handle all of them. So if you don't know how events works in JavaScript, you can watch my lessons. This is really easy. So let's go further. What write code like this? It's not really readable because we have separate our element and function. It's better to write code like this. We can create variable, for example div2, which will be some method, and here I can add function handle click, for example, each except our event, and here console log div was clicked. And now we need to return return div which has on click and this handle click. And it's so simple. Click me and div. Yeah, that's all. Now yeah, of course we need to render everything. And now I have hello world, and when I click on it, it will run test for me. Yeah, just I need to make it like this. Click me, and div was clicked, as you see. So now when I click on click me, this is this element, and on click it has different function which runs when we click it. So it's so easy a way to handle events in React. And of course we can create some classes. So for example we can create class, let's call it button extends React component, and in our React component we can have handle click which equal t, and here console log for example, I don't know, button clicked. Yeah, and now we need to render our class, our render, and here we just return div on click this handle click, yeah, and we need to render. And yeah, here let's use root 3. And now here we have test. And each time I click, it will cancel logged button clicked. So our class return this div, and this div on click just run this method. This is really common technique to handle events. Of course, here could be any other events. And also, sometimes I need to send some additional information to my click handle or any other handler. It's easy to do it. All I need to do is set that I have event, and this is just a function which call handler click. And here I send my event, but also I can send some additional data. Data, yeah, and just like this, this is some additional data, and it will come to my method like data, and I can, for example, console log it. And now if I click test, we will see additional data. So this is additional data. It was it was sent to my method, and I use it to just console log it. So as you see, it's so easy to use events in React. And if you know how to work one event, you can use same other events same way. So just like in JavaScript. Well, this is pretty much it about event handling, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.